All viewer India students, today we have new exponential trick equation. Very interesting question today for you. Let's come we start. 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is equal to 148. We find the value of a is unknown and b is unknown and c is unknown. In this type of exponential equation, and here the first term is 2 exponent of a. If we are multiply and divide by this term to the left hand side, so we can apply here 2 exponent of a and 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is equal to 148. This term is multiply and also divide by here 2 exponent of a. Both are cancelled to each other, but we don't care. We cannot cancel in here because we are making here the same term we are lying here. 2 exponent of a divided by 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of a plus 2 exponent of c divided by 2 exponent of a. We individually this term is divided by each one, so 148. Now both are cancelled this term, we get 2 exponent of a 1 plus, and here we are using the base rule here when the power are different and base are same in case of division. So x power m divided by x power n. So we take one base and we subtract their power according to these rules. We simplify these two terms b minus a plus, and we take one base c minus a is equal to 148. Now this term is, if we give the a value, power a is 1, so we get here positive even number, and we give a is equal to 2, we get 4 and 3. So up to so on, if we give the value of a is equal to from 1 to up to so on, so we will get even number. Similarly, if we put in here a, b, c value, so we will get odd number. Here this number is an even number, 2 exponent of a is even number, and this term in the bracket is odd number. If we replace the value of a, b, c, so we will get odd number. It means that we simplify this term 148, we simply factorize this one. So we will get here in the place of 148 we can write 2 square and 37. 2 square is also because 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 37. So we can write 2 exponent of v, or in case of multiplication we add their power. So 2 exponent of 2, 37. So in the place of 148 we can get here 37. So this number is an even number and this number is an odd number. Now we are comparing even number with even number and odd number with odd number. The value of a is equal to 2 plus 2 and c minus 2 is equal to 36. Similarly, we can write this term 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 9, and we get here 2 square into 9. And also we can separate this one according to the exponent property. We can write plus 2 exponent of c and 2 exponent of 2 is equal to 2 square into 9. And get here else taking LCM in here, 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c, and here we get 2 exponent of 2 is LCM is equal to 2 square into 9. And here this term is multiply on each sides, 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c is equal to 2 square and 2 square into 9. When the bases are same, so we add their power, so we can write 2 plus 2 is equal to 4 into 9. Now again we can apply the same method, and here multiplying and dividing by the 2 exponent of b, 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c divided by this term, so is equal to 2 exponent of 4 into 9. Now 2 exponent of b into 2 exponent of b divided by 2 exponent of b plus 2 exponent of c, 2 exponent of b is equal to 2 exponent of 4 into 9. So this term is cancelled. Exponent of b, and here 1 is remaining, 1 plus, and here we are using the quotient rule, bases are same, so we subtract their power is equal to 2 exponent of 4 into 9. Again look here, this term is an even number and this one is odd number, and here is, if this one is even number and this one is an odd number. Again we are comparing odd number with odd and even number is with even. Is equal to 2 exponent of 4 and 1 plus 2 exponent of c minus b is equal to 9. So now again here bases are same, so we take the power b is equal to 4. For 2c minus b is equal to 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Again we substitute the value of b here, so c minus 4 is equal to 8, and we can separate this term, we can write 2 exponent of minus 4 is equal to 8. Now again we are applying here the exponent rule, 2 exponent of 4 is equal to 8. Now by cross multiplication 2 exponent of c is equal to 8 into 2 exponent of 4 equal to, now here 2 exponent of c is equal to, we can write a 2 exponent of 3 and 2 exponent of 4. Now bases are same, so 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 exponent of 7. So 2 exponent of c is equal to 2 exponent of 7. Now bases are same, so we get the value of c is equal to 7. If you want to verification 2 and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 7. Now verification, 2 exponent of a is equal to, we get here 2 and plus 2 exponent of b is equal to 4 plus and 2 exponent of 7 is equal to question mark 148. So we will get here 4, and this one is, we can get here 2 exponent of 4 16, and this one is we get 128 is question mark 148. So if we add this one, we get 148 is equal to 148. So our answer is correct. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 7. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.